If you're a freelancer or solopreneur, one of the fastest ways to look more legitimate online is by having two things in place: a real website and a professional business email. When clients search your name or business and see a customer domain and branded email instead of a free Gmail address, it instantly builds trust, credibility, and confidence in working with you. Like, come on, what sounds more legit? Wayne Enterprises at gmail.com or Bruce Wayne at WayneEnterprises.com. It's a no-brainer, really. In this video, I'm going to talk about why having an online presence matters so much when you're trying to attract clients, close deals, and grow your income. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's make your business official. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a professional online presence using Neo by setting up 3 essentials in one place: a professional business email, a free custom domain, and a website. When your email and website match your domain, it helps you look legitimate and professional in every business communication. What makes Neo especially useful is that it bundles these 3 things together instead of making you pay for them separately. You get your business email, your domain, and website in one affordable setup, which is far more cost-effective than using different providers for each part. I'll walk you through the setup step by step so you can see how easy it is to go from having nothing online to having a branded email and a live website for your business. I'm on the Neo website. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to need an email address. So let's get started. Choose a domain to set up your email. Okay, I'm going to be thrifting. So I'm starting out a thrifting business, and I'm going to put in Style Rewear, the name of my company. Okay, they recommend stylerewear.co.site. Okay, so I put in my full name, my existing email, stylerewear20@gmail.com. Okay, and I set in my password. Once you have your password, you have the mailbox email address. You put in that information. I'll put cc at stylerewear.co.site. Okay? Set the password for your mailbox. Now let's create the mailbox right now. I'm going to enter team members' email address. Okay, so we could do that later. And this is other email addresses if you have like a large team, support team, administration, contact, sales. You could do that, but I'm going to skip that step right now. Okay, your domain comes with the AI-powered website. Look at all the other things that it comes with. Look how beautiful the website is. Select the right Neo plan for you. All right, they have the starter, the popular, and the best value. The best value I recommend. Okay, that's the monthly prices, $9.99. Okay, it comes with everything. Everything is included. Priority email, mailbox, the block senders, everything. Everything is included. Okay, I recommend that. There you go. Now we have the yearly plan. Okay, $7.99. You save 20%. Use your credit card. Use your card. Put that information in your country, your zip code, and I'm paying $9.99. You cannot beat this price. Okay. Now, tell us a little bit about Stylewear, stylerewear.co.site. What kind of industry? What kind of companies? It's secondhand clothing. How many employees? I have 4. What is your role? I'm the founder. And what made you sign up for Neo? Email with my company name. Come on, I want to look professional here. How did you first hear about us? YouTube. I heard about you on YouTube. Do you want to import your old email contacts to Neo? Of course I do. Yes, I do. I just want to import my emails, okay? So I'm going to do that. Now, next thing, what is the primary email app? And you use check your email. So I'm going to put my primary email, which is my Gmail mobile app, and my Gmail website. So that's what I've been on. So I'm going to, include that. That's what I was working on. Congratulations, CC at stylerewear.co.site. Your mailbox is now ready for you. Go to your web mail. I'm so excited. Welcome to Neo Mail. Okay, so here are some of the features we have available. Read receipts, email templates, follow-up reminders. Let's customize your profile. Okay, set a display name so your receipts know who you are. I put CC, okay? Now, I want to put a logo in that place where the icon was at. So I upload from my device a logo for my company, Style Rewear. There you go. Now I'm gonna upload it. There you go. Look how nice it is. Now you press next. Okay, so bring emails from Gmail. So my Gmail, I'm connecting it to Neo right now. So now I'm gonna merge them together. Add my Gmail. So now you have everything done. Make sure to tick off everything that you've done. Okay. Your Gmail folder is ready. See how fast it is? Okay. So now I'm going to set up a premium signature from the premium signature templates. You have Christina, Jenny. I'm going to check out the right template for my company. Let's see. Oh, they have so many to choose from. I like Lisa Erickson. Okay. Erickson. I love your template. I'm going to use that one. Okay, so I put in my name. I'm going to put in the name of my company. What am I? I'm a rewear specialist. The name of my company, Style Rewear. The phone number, I'm not putting in right now. And I can change my email address. Look how, as I'm typing it on the left-hand side, it's appearing on the right-hand side for my signature, right? Template, cc@stylewear.co.site. All right. And I put in my URL, and this is all from Neo. Okay. I have to put in some information. Okay. A little information about the company, and I put that in. I'm the treasure hunter behind Style Rewear, turning forgotten fashion into fabulous finds that deserve a second spotlight. Isn't that fabulous? Now I'm going to change the theme. I think I'm going to go with pink. Okay, you know that's my color. So I'm going to go with pink. And it came out nice. Oh my goodness. All right, now, once that's done, I'm going to press next and I'm moving on. Okay, so now I'm going to look at my signature. Look how beautiful it came. It came out really nice, right? Okay, now my signatures, this is my main signature. All right, so I'm uploading that. That's all done. Now we're going to go with, let's see, I'm going to go with tracking. Let's do tracking, okay? That's so important. When you send out emails, don't you want to know they received it? Don't you want to be able to track it? Well, this is a great feature to have, okay? Now, from there, we're going to put in my email, my information, and I'm going to do a test, okay? So Neo has like a testing feature. You can test it out. You can send out your information, your email with your signature, and you can track it. So I'm going to track it to see if it really works. Look at that. Welcome to Neo. You see, now I can track that. I can just click on that. There it is right there. You just tracked it, okay? So it's just a test. Welcome at Neo.space, and it'll show you that that person received it. Now I'm going to do AI write. It's going to help me write to my customers just to thank them for purchasing some of my clothing, my stylish clothing that I sell on my thrift shop. So now I'm going to have Smart Write AI compose a beautiful thank you letter, okay? A thank you email. I put in the information and they compose one for me. Dear valued customer, thank you for choosing Style Rewear for your recent purchase. We greatly appreciate your business and support. Your order is being processed. And look, there you go. You put that information in with your signature so you can look professional at the bottom. I put it in. This is just a test right here. I'm going to put it in. All right. Now look how nice that came out. All right. I'm going to press send. Boom. It sent it right out. 1, 2, 3. Look at this. Look how professional it looks. I'm going to give it 5 stars. Okay. I'm giving this 5 stars for Smart Right AI. That was nice because you don't have to do all this thinking. What do you say to the customer? This is what you do. You write what you start, give it a little prompt. It takes care of everything. Now I'm going to do invoice builder. I'm going to pick, let's see, e-commerce template. because that's what I'm doing. I have an e-commerce business. There you go. I got to change the names, but look at the template for the receipt. Okay. You're going to need a receipt for your customer. Look at that. I'm going to change the information. I changed the logo on the left-hand side again. Change the information. Style Rewear. CC as Style Rewear. And it changes automatically on the right-hand side. This is a professional invoice. Okay. So you put in the information you need. It's very, very simple. You put in the customer's name. You give them receipt for all the merch they purchased. And there you go. You have it. Simple. All right. So now it's time to build a website and a flash with AI. Put your business name, Style Rewear, put a description, describe your project or business, which I've done. And now it's going to go to work. It's reading all that information. It's going to build the site with AI. I'm so excited. It's preparing the layout. It's choosing colors and themes and headlines. It's giving me sections and images, testimony. It's almost ready. It's Neo with AI magic. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so beautiful. Discover clothes secondhand, the story behind Style Rewear. Look at the beautiful fashion. Explore a fashion gallery. I love it. You could browse the gallery, click on different pictures, look at the customers' testimonies. Oh my goodness. Sophie Green said the great quality is amazing price. Look at that. You could click on, you can order. You have the little button that says buy. It gives you prices, shop our creations, and it even gives you space to leave your email for your fashion newsletter for your customers, your clients, your colleagues. Yeah. Oh my goodness. That was on desktop. Look in mobile. Look in mobile. Oh my goodness. So professional. I could have never have done this. You know how many weeks it would have taken me to build this? This is amazing. Look at the phone numbers, everything. And you can change, you can edit. If you don't like it, you can start it all over again. It can remake a whole new website again. It can, look at it. You can change the header, the color scheme, the intro, anything you want to change. Discover stylish secondhand fashion. And it is all from the prompts. And I can change out the clothing. I put my logo on right there. Style Rewear Boutique. Everything is, you can edit. And after that, all you have to do once you like everything is publish it. It is that simple. I'm talking days and days of work of building a website, less than 15 minutes. Okay. Frequently asked questions. So they even have questions that people might ask. Okay, we are live. Oh my goodness, we are published. We are live. Check us out, Style Rewear with Neo. All done with Neo. If you want to set up this for yourself, use my link down below in the description to get an exclusive discount and follow the same steps I just showed you. This is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to make your business look professional from the very beginning. Wasn't that fantastic today? We made an email and a website today. Oh my goodness, that was awesome. Now, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now, let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with Neo. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.